In today's science class, we will be learning about Earth's movements. You must have looked at the sky and seen countless stars, with the sky seeming to stretch forever. It has no beginning and no end, no boundaries. This whole space is called the universe. All the objects which we see in the sky are called heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. Some are bright, while some are dim. Some twinkle, while others do not. They are of different sizes. We do not see them during the day because of the bright sunlight. Let's learn more about these celestial bodies. The heavenly or celestial bodies include stars, planets, satellites, comets, and meteorites. Further, we will be learning about each of them in detail. Stars are huge celestial bodies made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. They produce light and heat. Aside from our sun, the dots of light we see in the sky are all light years away from the Earth. They are the building blocks of galaxies, of which these are billion in the universe. It is impossible to know how many stars exist. A galaxy is a huge cluster of stars, gas and dust held together by their own gravitational force. The Earth belongs to a galaxy called the Milky Way or Akash Ganga. It is so named because it appears as a white band. It is made up of 1,000,000 stars. One of these stars is our Sun. A planet is a celestial body that revolves around a star and also rotates on its own axis. Planets follow a regular elliptical path around the Sun called orbits. For a celestial body to be classified as a planet, it must do three things. It must orbit a star, it must be big enough to have enough gravity to force it into a spherical shape, it must be big enough that its gravity is cleared away from any other object of similar size near its orbit around the Sun. Satellites. A satellite is an object that revolves around a planet in an orbit. Like planets, satellites also do not have their own light. They reflect the light from the Sun. There are two types of satellites, natural and artificial. Natural satellite. A natural satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around a planet in orbit. The Moon is the Earth's natural satellite. Artificial satellite. An artificial satellite is a man-made object that revolves around a planet in an orbit. Artificial satellites have uses. Some of them are to study distant planets. They give us weather reports. They are also responsible for transmission of telephone, television, and radio signals. In 1975, an artificial satellite called Aryabhata was launched by India. Comets. A comet is a small icy body that orbits around the Sun. They revolve around the Sun in long elliptical orbits. It is made up of a nucleus and a gaseous coma. Water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other gases make the long tail. The famous comet, the Halley's Comet, was last seen in 1986. It will appear again in 76 years. This image shows comet 45P, which was captured using a telescope on December 22nd, 2019 in Namibia, Africa, by the NASA scientists. Asteroids. Asteroids are rocky metallic objects, most of which orbit the Sun in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are also known as planetoids or minor planets. On the right side, you can see an article dated September 12, 2019, which was posted at the NASA website, where a prediction was made that two medium-sized asteroids would fly past the Earth overnight. NASA is tracking objects and have an orbit calculation to check if the asteroids are going to enter the Earth's atmosphere. Meteoroids are small bodies that travel through space. Most meteoroids come from asteroids that are broken. A meteor is a meteoroid that has entered Earth's atmosphere. It is also called as a shooting star or falling star. A meteorite is a meteor that has fallen to Earth. Meteorites are made up of rock and metals. So an asteroid, when broken down, forms two meteoroids. A meteoroid that enters Earth's atmosphere is called meteors, and meteors, when fall to Earth, are called meteorites. Let's recap what we learned. We learned about the universe and the Milky Way, the galaxy that the Earth is present in. We learned about the heavenly bodies, the stars, planets, comets, satellites, asteroids, and meteorites.